How many of you are having small kids in your house? Small kids, maybe 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 years. Yeah,
4 years I have, sir.
2 years or 3 years or something like that. Small kids. Do you know, for the mother, feeding the kid is something like a war. Are you going to accept? feeding the kid is something like doing war kind of thing. Such type of thing will be there. Kid is not eating the food. Kid is not eating the food. Okay, like what most of the mothers are going to do? Yes, array, eat like she or he is not baby is not eating. Then immediately some people not lack of patience. They will beat. Still, there is no use at all. If you want, you can crutch it. There is no use at all. Just some people are going to use. Hey, my baby girl is excellent. My baby girl is always listen my words. She's too good. I never saw such a type of baby girl anywhere. Okay, too good like then open the mouth like then immediately she is going to open the mouth or he is going to open the mouth to eat. Anyone observe this behavior?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Again,
sir.
like that.
Multiple times, right?
But
Multiple
nowadays
times.
kids are so smart, sir. They're not listening to all these things. They are like
No, they
digital
will
kids.
listen.
No,
They need to
No,
Mahesh.
watch
they will
YouTube.
listen.
Mahesh, legend. Don't worry. That's your opinion, it seems. Legend. It's a happening. Okay. So, okay, of course. Just there is so with YouTube or with what shorts or reels we
Yeah,
can
yeah, exactly.
we can do that. But
Yeah.
this type of thing, yes, definitely is going to work. Definitely is going to work. But very unfortunate thing is that kid don't know how to talk also. How to talk also. If you appreciate that kid, automatically so she or he, the baby is going to eat the food. Observe that. The
Yes,
small
sir.
kid don't know anything. Even for the small kid also, this appreciation is working. Remember, Kath, everyone in the world eagerly waiting, okay, for appreciation. So they should treat like I'm the important person. I'm the most respected person. The feeling everyone having, man, whether it is a small kid or whether it is a bigger kid, bigger person, everyone like observe that. So that's why these kind of things, this appreciation. If you are getting the chance to appreciate someone, don't miss that opportunity. Okay.